I'll just get some on camera. They say 20, 24 on the top.
Do not make a mess in my kitchen, Nate. Needs a bigger bowl.
Is that where you're gonna be, Nate? Because you're out of the shot.
I'm gonna walk behind first.
It's a lot of beeps, a lot of buttons.
We're good. We're recording.
He's got it.
Have 5 more Yetis of vodka. You'll know exactly what to say.
that doesn't help. What was I gonna say? You sure I don't see the red light?
It doesn't look like it's going.
I need it to be.
Oh, it's on the top.
Nope, it's taking pictures, that's why.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Hopefully we got something there.
man down. Donkey, you can't eat this.
So you hit the side button. One more time, there you go.
Is that what you say when Karen doesn't wear makeup? The natural look?
I never said that about any lady.
You can't do that anymore, COVID times. Jesus. Take it outside.
Get that all out, good?
Yeah. That's for you, Chris.
What am I saying?
All you gotta say is it's time to make it not suck, and making it not suck is the sauce and toss.
And we should throw some cheese on top of it.
Right.
All right, down just a little bit.
You're talking about him or the pan?
Just a little bit left.
Shut up.
A little bit right. It's crispy cauliflower with an orange. Jeff had a nice couple sample taste tests. Cut. So how do we make the orange crispy chicken look so delicious?
Do you mean the beef?
Did I say chicken? Should have made chicken instead of beef.
3, 2.
You can even lean on your elbow and hold the plate in the other hand so you don't have to squat.
So you're doing, Chris, going into the peppers? Dropping the peppers on the water?
Did that.
Already did that?
Jeff, pay attention. Keep up.
Was that in
Jesus
the-
Christ. You see what it's like making a video with this guy, Karen? Yeah. You feel like you're king of your castle now?
Like an ox coming out of a birth canal. Sideways. Welcome back to the Griddle, guys. Today, crispy beef orange. No.
Crispy orange beef.
3, 2, 1.
He's too tall.
Yeah.
Yeah, when did you get? You're a giant in your own kitchen. So there, now do it. Which way?
All right.
This is what happens to Karen and I every morning. We fight, and then you kiss and make up. Oh, actually, Karen and I don't kiss and make up. We just do the fighting part.
Oh my God, there he does.
Chris is
Oh, he does love her.
They were just arguing with each other.
Oh yay!
I can't believe that.
That should be enough.
Now who's gonna help us up?
Should I get Jeff crying?
A lot of hands.
Three wide bodies like that on the couch. We need a wider couch.